Well, we had a problem last night.
Jeez. I hit it!
You hit it.
Yeah.
We had, I don't know if you guys can see me.
Yeah. No, let me do it.
Okay.
So we had a problem last night, and then the pipe is leaking. So we're gonna fix it, so we can't do the sink. It's gonna be kind of a hard thing to do.
Thanks, man. Yeah, last night we were filleting up some fish, a bunch of trout, like 16 massive trout, and for a family lunch that we were having the next day. And I had all the trout in the sink thawing in some water, and when I was done with it, I pulled the plug, turned on the disposal, and I could hear water dripping in here, and then it sounded like it started dripping really heavy. So I pulled out this cabinet. This is the trash drawer. I pulled out the trash drawer here real quick, and this was just covered in fishy water, in stinky fishy water.
I didn't know it's fishy.
Yeah, and the water was going all down this pipe. I'm sure it got on this floor. Downstairs, luckily, it goes into the wall, which is concrete at the base and the sides. And it never did get on the wood 2x4. There's a hole I can look in downstairs. So we got lucky that it didn't go into any rooms or any drywall or anything downstairs. That might have been stinky. But up here, we cleaned it all up. I was super upset. And right here, this seam is leaking. So we got to replace that before we can use the sink anymore.
Yeah, so we're gonna fix that.
I'll just probably.
How they do these?
Hey, where do you put that rag, Sarah? Oh, hurry! Oh, hurry! Yeah, this one. Oh, shoot. This nasty black water getting dripped out of there. Oh, no! Oh, I did leak a ton of sludge. That's super gross. Oh. It's full of sludge. I gotta hold this while I cut it.
So you're trying to sand the paint off right now?
Yeah.
The pipe fitting won't fit on this pipe with paint on it, with the paint on it, makes it too thick. And we're worried that it won't seal with the paint on. So Travis is trying to sand the paint off right now.
Hey Mom, there's a couple of
You know, I don't know if there's ever a good time for your sink to break, but I now know that there's a bad time for your sink to break, and that's when it's full of fish guts water. We're just super glad that it wasn't worse and that we were able to clean it up pretty easily. How long does that need to dry for?
Like probably 10 minutes. So this pipe that was right there, it was original to the house before we put in new cabinets. It was for a double sink. We just have a single large sink, which by the way is awesome. First time we've done that in all of our houses, and it's way better than having two sinks. So anyway, so I could just throw that one away. This one is my main sink drain. It goes up, I think, as a vent. Down is my main drain there. So all I did was cut out my problem section and re-plumb in my new section. Plumbing is relatively super simple. It's all just fitting pieces together and gluing them. There is some angles you need to worry about, but in a minor repair like this one, the angles should already be there. It is absolutely a DIY possible. So I am filling my sink right now. I'm gonna water test this here in just a couple minutes. This stuff just takes like 10 minutes to dry. Allow 15 minutes for good handling strength. 2-hour cure time at temperatures above 60. Do not test with air. Yeah. My experience is you can test that pretty much immediately, and that stuff holds up really well. Okay, I'm gonna water test this. So just with water going down, no issue. The disposal, no issue. Problem solved.
Give me back my bike!
Last week we took a long weekend and went up into the mountains to get some time away camping. Where we camped was about 20 minutes away from Bear Lake, so we were able to spend some time in the mountains and then also come down and spend some time at the lake, and it was really just what we all needed.
Should we bury all of you?
I got my money! I died!
Gonna go down your pants.
I died!
You're all done?
Yeah.
You look like a mermaid, Link.
I'm gonna go get more water.
Okay, now hop up and run in the water. Oh no, not on his face. Not on his face. Okay, now hop up and go run in the water. Can you get up? Here, give me your hand. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Bury you down there. Oh.
Daddy took all of them off.
Wow.
It's starting to rain more. Yeah.
We've had this whole place to ourselves up until last night. We had one person come and join us, but it's a huge camping spot.
It's raining harder and we have to get to our safe shelter.
It is raining hard.
Let's get to our safe shelter.
Okay, let's walk up here quick.
I know exactly, but we're going to have to travel miles and miles. In 3 days, we'll be there by dinner time. Yeah.
What? What? Okay, come here, I'll hold your hand. Walk together.
Well, Link, tell us where we are.
We drove all the way up here.
Yeah, we're at the top of this mountain range that we're at right now.
Yeah.
Outside of Logan Canyon.
Yeah.
This is kind of a steep drop off right here, huh? It's real pretty. And we've been riding our four-wheeler for how long would you guess?
For super long time.
Yeah, one of our four-wheelers isn't working, so it's
Yeah.
just me and you out here.
Yeah.
We've probably been driving for like an hour and a half or something, huh?
Yeah.
It's time to head back.
But we saw like a lot of sinkholes, but they're like grass sinkholes.
Yeah, some local guy said that there was a bunch of sinkholes out here, but we're not really finding anything very impressive.
Yeah. But we found something very impressive. We found a sinkhole, but it had cameras.
Yeah, they look like there was a four-wheeler trail that goes to a sinkhole way far out in the distance. They had the road blocked. Forest Service had the road blocked off with signs, and it looked like they had some type of solar panel camera or something set up out there.
Sawyer's driving!